Now you're gonna say why am I seeing this skeleton part here? That's because the skeleton is how you would move your character the way you wanted it to move, or reanimate your character. Now here, let me just give you a quick example of what I'm saying. So with the skeleton selected, you want to select the skeleton, not the actual face or nothing, or the body. You want the skeleton. These are the skeletons. Avatar root, it actually says, but we'll just call it the skeleton because, yeah, that's what I call it. Now go to object mode up here. You're going to go to pose mode. It'll light up blue like that. Now, for the sake of being able to see exactly the bones, because over here we can't see the bones, there's a little blue part right here. You're going to press Z on your keyboard, go to wireframe on the left. Now you can see the bones of this character. Now select the bones. How I do it, I select the bones that basically connect this part. I wouldn't really select here. Let me show you why. RY, something about it ain't right. You could do that, but I pick here, R, or yeah, I press RY because we want to. And look, you can easily move the character's bones. Now I press here, RY, move the bones. Now take in mind that there are already keyframes in place, automatic keyframes. These keyframes came in when you first created your design in Mixamo. It gave these keyframes. These are animation keyframes. These are the keyframes that help it to dance. Now, if I was to play this little pose that I just created, I just did with his arms, will go back to its regular position. See? So now if I go here, it's back to its regular position. Now, the reason I'm telling you guys this, if you were to go and just make this image and put it where you want, you could have wasted all your time putting all the bones, and then as soon as you go to play, it will go back to normal and you'll have to do it all over again. So the only way to fix this, you would have to delete these keyframes and reanimate it. If you guys find out a faster way, or if I'm wrong about this, please leave it in the comments section. So we'll just go back to the regular material mode, and we're going to go back to object mode here. Now we can hide the root skeleton. See? Go to the right over here where it says avatar root. You're going to hide that. Now you will also want to disable this in the render view with the camera, because when you render it for your final animation, it will show those bones inside the view. So let's challenge if I'm right or wrong, because I could be wrong. So I'm going to keep this on, I'm going to keep that on, and I'm going to go to render up here, render image. Okay, so I was actually wrong. As you can see, it does not show the bones. I can tell that you want it, and I know that you bout it. Don't you lie to us, cause we know